Hello everyone, this is Maruf. In this video, I'm going to talk about formatted search queries. Uh, so before we go to that, let's open sales order. Let's say we want to see an information that we do not already see on this window. For example, customer phone number. Let's say we want to see the customer phone number once we choose a customer. Now what we have to do in order to do that is create an user-defined field and assign a formatted search query to that user-defined field. So what will happen is once we choose a customer or navigate between previous records and next records, the user-defined field holding the phone number of that particular customer will automatically refresh. So let's close this window, go to tools. If you haven't watched my previous video about how to create an user-defined field, please check it out on my channel. So we go to user defined fields management. This is a marketing document. We go to title and click on add. Let's call this phone number. Change the field to 15 and we'll leave the data type to alphanumeric because it's a phone number which is of string type. If you're familiar with databases, you know that the string type is considered as alphanumeric in database terms. So let's click on add. Okay. So once we go to sales order, we see our UDF called phone number. If we click on, well, the system information is already checked. If you want to see the information, you hover your mouse over to the field, and at the bottom left corner you can see it says u underscore phone number, which is the user defined field name of this field. So now we want to write a query and set the query to this field, and which will make a formatted search query. So for example, to do that, we go to tools and then we go to queries and we go to query generator. There you can select tables from here, but what we are going to do is we are going to write our own query. So we'll click on execute and click on this pencil button and write our query. So what we want is we want the phone number from the OCRD table. So if you do not know what OCRD table is, you go to business partner master data, where you will find the customer information. So this is the card code from the OCRD table, and this is the phone one from the OCRD table as well. So this is what we want on our sales order document. So OCRD is the table. OCRD dot, we want phone number, which is phone one, from OCRD, where OCRD. So this is our condition. The condition is based on card code equal to, what we do is put a dollar sign and a bracket and a dollar sign again, and then the first thing that we need to put here is the item number of the field that we want the condition based upon. So basically on sales order, if we go to sales order once again and hover the mouse over to this, we see the item number on the bottom left corner is 4. So that is our item number dot. This is where we put the column of card code. So in OCRD, the column of card code is 0. That means it is at the very first position. Once again, if you are familiar with databases, you will know that any fields created in a table are indexed at 0, and then you place the data type, which is alphanumeric, which is once again at the 0 position in SAP Business One. Let's close it and click on save. We're just going to replace our previous. So what we are going to do is we are going to replace one of the previous queries that I have already created, and click on save. Let's close that. We have to once again open the document, place our cursor on the user defined field, go to tools, customization tools, and click on user defined field, user defined values setup. I have previously set this up. So what you do is you click on search in existing user defined values according to saved queries. So then you go to open saved query, general, and select the query you just created. Hit on OK. This would be initially unchecked, so you check that and find the customer vendor code, which is our condition, and then click on refresh regularly. So once you change the customer, the UDF will automatically populate the phone number of that customer. Click on update. So let's select a customer. See, there you go, you have a phone number. Now if you keep navigating to a different customer, which is say 60,000, the phone number changes once again. So that's how you write a formatted search query. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, like this video if it helped you, and please comment down below if there's anything you want to see next. And until then, thank you.